Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13C, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!